In match problem 2, we're given a function for a continuous income stream, and for a vending machine in this case, we want to find the total income produced by this vending machine during the second 5 years of operation. So in this case, we want to integrate this continuous income stream. So our definition says we just take whatever that given continuous income stream function is, we integrate it over some time interval. But the question here is, what is that time interval? In this case, we're not given the specific numbers, but we are told we want to figure out what this is over the second 5 years of operation. So that would be on the interval from 5 to 10. So in this case, we'll integrate from 5 to 10, 5,000 e to the 0.04 t dt. So 5,000 is just a constant multiple. We can pull that out in front of the integral. So what we're integrating is from 5 to 10, the function e to the 0.04 t dt. At this point, we could tackle this with substitution, or we introduce kind of that shortcut whenever we have something of the form e to some constant times t. So this would be 5,000 times e to the 0.04 t divided by 0.04. And that needs to be evaluated from t equals 5 to t equals 10. So 5,000, 0.04, those are both just constant multiples. So again, we can set this off to the side. 5,000 divided by 0.04. And then we'll just evaluate e to the 0.04 t at t equals 10 and t equals 5. So this would be e to the 0.04 times 10 minus e to the 0.04 times 5. And then you'll come up with slightly different results here, just depending on how you plug this into your calculator. If you do all of this in one step, if you come up with some numbers along the way, some estimates along the way, anyway, your value can change slightly. So I'll show you the numbers that I came up with as intermediate steps. 5,000 divided by 0.04 is 125,000. E to the 0.04 times 10 is approximately 1.492. E to the 0.04 times 5 is approximately 1.221. So these are my approximate answers, bringing me to a value of $33,875. But again, depending on how you evaluate this expression, how many decimal places you carry these out to, if you include more decimal places, fewer decimal places, you can come up with kind of a narrow range, but some different numbers. This can end up being a little bit higher, a little bit lower, just depending on your rounding. So keep that in mind. If you do get an answer incorrect, rounding could be the issue that's running into that. Or if you plug this into your calculator and get a slightly different number, it might just be because you did evaluate this expression just a little bit differently than I went about it.